Hey, Mace.
There's still the perspective, I think, from Susie that I was gone.
It's not that he's gone all day on Saturday, it's that he's gone all day on Saturday.
As far as my biking goes, I felt like she was trying to take something that
Get out of here, Mace.
important to me away.
If that was me, I'd be passing these kids to you, and I'd be gone for the same amount of time.
Whoa.
If I were to take as much time as you take doing what you do, there would be no family time. In his perspective, he thinks...
Whoa, Mace. Don't bite.
Every Saturday I'm on my own
Don't
with
bite.
the kids. When you are home, I don't feel like you're really
Whoa.
home sometimes.
Get out of here.
I'm hearing that you think your husband is selfish with his time and not committing enough to your family. That is an honest-to-God question that just needs an honest answer.
I think his priority is cycling for family time.
Well, that's something that you guys need to talk about and really work on, because your kids are suffering because of this lack of communication.
She nailed it.
You stop. You stop, Mace. Go. Go.
Mom needs some time off, and Dad needs to get more involved with the kids. So I send Mom off for a bit of relaxation. Okay, where's Mom?